Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off by saying that I hope that you guys are enjoying all the wedding content that's being posted back to back. I really wanted things to be posted real time, if not real time, ek do din aage piche, which is exactly why you're seeing this video today. On the day when I'm posting this video, 25th of April, मेरी हल्दी सुबह already हो चुकी होगी and आज मैं आपके साथ share करने वाली हूँ my outfit from scratch that I made for my haldi. Not only for me but also for Aditya. I really wanted that matchy element for one of the functions and I also wanted to do at least one outfit from scratch for the two of us for any of the wedding functions. So yeah, that's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. Let's get started with today's video. Okay, so ये वाला outfit from scratch has been such a task for me. I cannot even begin to explain. You will see how chaotic this video is going to be. In the past, every time I've made an outfit from scratch, it's been very easy, very breezy. कुछ भी कभी problem नहीं हुआ. It's been very fun. It's very creatively satisfying. Obviously, I'm not a designer. Want to preface by saying that. But it's always fun to create these outfits from scratch. But of course, the one time that I create an outfit for my wedding function, it has to be so difficult, layer after layer. You'll see in just a second. So सबसे पहले मैंने सोचा था कि मैं बनाऊंगी outfit from scratch for my मेहंदी because I thought मैं जब मेहंदी लगाऊंगी तो खराब होने के chances है. So I didn't want to wear a very expensive outfit, which is why I thought that making an outfit from scratch would work out. So went into the stores with the intention of buying a blue colored fabric because our theme for our mehendi is blue. All of our blue options are here.
There is only two, but okay.
एक गिर गया नीचे.
अच्छा.
But I'm not sure कि ये सॉरी मेहंदी के लिए अच्छा लगेगा ब्लू. मतलब वैसे भी ब्लू ही थीम है अपना, बट
I think so.
गिविंग मेहंदी वाइब्स.
मतलब मेहंदी आई थिंक ऐसे मोर ऑफ अ
Green.
लड़कों के लिए तो क्या ही है मेहंदी इफ यू सी.
Oh, but I actually like it. It matches my ring also. But इसमें ना मेरा कलर एकदम छुप रहा है. Do you see what I mean?
इसमें ब्लू नहीं दिख रहा, फिर इसमें तो कुछ और भी डाल सकती है.
थोड़ा इसके लिए अपन को और ब्राइट ब्लू डालना पड़ेगा ताकि
मतलब
सेम लगे.
ये फैब्रिक के ऊपर मुझे वो बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर लग रहा
ये अच्छा लग रहा है ना इस
है.
मॉडल
वेरी
से.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. यस. और चेंज ओ नहीं
मे बी या नो बहुत ब्राइट हो गया भैया. थोड़ा और लाइट
रॉयल ब्लू पे ट्राई कर. ये मस्त लग रहा है.
No. I don't like it. It's looking very basic. Very basic. मजा नहीं आ रहा है. आदित्य के जैकेट के लिए शायद अच्छा लगेगा वो, बट साड़ी के लिए नहीं अच्छा लगेगा.
तो ऐसे मत देख, उनका वो मंगवा उनसे.
टैगी लग रहा है. Maybe.
देख के एकदम पसंद आ जाता है ना, वो नहीं हो रहा.
So as you saw, I spent a lot of hours in the store. I went to Ellie Perry as per usual, but मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला blue color के कपड़े में. Nothing that was different and that would look good for a bride. You know what I mean? Like as a guest, बहुत सारे अच्छे कपड़े थे, बहुत सारे bridesmaids के लिए fabrics थे, but nothing for me, the bride. So guess what I decided to do? I decided to drop the idea of making an outfit for my mehendi and shift it to haldi because it made sense haldi के लिए भी बनाना because हल्दी में भी कपड़े खराब होने ही वाले हैं and महंगा नहीं पहनना है मुझे वो चीज जो खराब होने वाला है. So next I decided to go to Tirumala Borivali and immediately as I walked into the store I saw this beautiful mustard yellow Katdhana fabric and I knew that was perfect. It was very expensive, I will say that. बहुत महंगा पड़ा मुझे ये फैब्रिक बिकॉज मुझे खुद के लिए भी लेना था एंड मुझे आदित्य के लिए भी लेना था ये फैब्रिक. तो बजट तो लिटरली लेफ्ट द चैट व्हेन आई बॉट द फैब्रिक इटसेल्फ. फॉरगेट अबाउट स्टिचिंग, फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल द एक्सेसरीज. ओके, सो लेट मी टॉक टू यू गाइज अबाउट माई इंस्पो बिहाइंड द आउटफिट. सो आई वाज स्क्रोलिंग थ्रू Pinterest and I was very clear that I did not want to make a lehenga because मेरे दूसरे सारे events के लिए I'm going to be wearing a lehenga. So I wanted to do like a Indo-Western moment, and I saw these beautiful slit saris. A lot of those I saw, and I was like, this is perfect. I'm not wearing a sari, and there's a slit to it, so it's more Indo-Western. It's very fun. It sits perfect for the haldi vibe, and I decided to go and run with that idea. And as for Aditya, I was very clear that I want to do like a simple kurta pajama for sure, because वो कुर्ता पजामा की हालत होने वाली है. Everyone's going to be very nice and gentle with me. I know it already. But आदित्य को हल्दी एकदम ही aggressively लगने वाली है, वो मुझे पता है. So I wanted to do something very light and not very expensive in terms of like the main fabric for him. But obviously he is the groom. I thought that a Modi jacket just to dress that outfit up would be perfect. So जो साड़ी का fabric होगा उसका ही मोदी जैकेट बनाने का थॉट था मेरा. गाइज फर्स्ट लुक आई थिंक अच्छा लग रहा है, ऐसे भी अच्छा लग रहा है. और ये आदित्य बना है
जैकेट के साथ.
ऑब्वियसली मैं इतनी ढकी हुई साड़ी नहीं पहनूंगी गाइज. देयर बी अ स्लिट. अच्छा ड्रेप किया रे कशिश वैसे तेरे. ओ या थोड़ा जगमग है बट I think होना चाहिए. So moving on, February May I had acquired my fabric. I was all chill and I sent over my fabric to my tailor who usually stitches all of my outfits. Now the minute she received the fabric, she told me that she won't be able to stitch my sari for my haldi. Not because she didn't want to or she didn't have the time. It was because of the fabric. Now ये फैब्रिक की वजह से मुझे इतने सारे इश्यूज होने वाले हैं. यू गाइज विल सी. बेसिकली इट्स अ हैंड वर्क काटधाना फैब्रिक. सो द मिनट यू पुट इट अंडर अ मशीन लाइक अ रेगुलर मशीन, द नीडल स्टार्ट टू ब्रेक. नाउ दिस इज अ कॉमन थीम. आई हैव स्पोकन टू मल्टीपल टेलर्स एंड एवरीवन हैज टोल्ड मी द सेम थिंग. Every 5 minutes the needle ends up breaking and it's a very time consuming fabric. So my main person whom I was relying on for this outfit from scratch told me that she couldn't do it. So I moved on to another tailor from a reference. Actually, she's a designer. So I went to her and I explained my vision to her and she instantly got it. She drew up a sketch for me, for Aditya. She understood exactly what I wanted. So I was very relieved and I was happy, you know, कि समझ में आ रहा है किसी को कि क्या करना है. She also told me the same thing, that this fabric is difficult to work with. I'm glad one thing that we ended up doing was that she started off by stitching a regular blouse for me to understand my measurements, and she stitched the blouse beautifully, no doubt about it. But when it came to stitching my actual outfit, she started off by stitching the blouse, okay? Stitched the blouse also beautifully, but the problem came in when she sent me the estimated bill. She had told me पहले भी कि stitching महंगा होने वाला है because ये fabric difficult है to work with. तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि more than usual होने वाला है मेरा सिलाई का cost. But the bill came back to me saying that it was going to cost me some 26,000 rupees. For stitching. Forget about the cost of the kapda. I've already paid a bomb for the actual fabric. But the stitching only for my sari was going to be 26,000 rupees. And at that point, I was like, why am I even making this outfit from scratch? I could have just bought a ready-made outfit. But kapda मेरे पास already था, तो I had to go ahead with it. and मुझे मेरे विजन पे डाउट नहीं था. लाइक मुझे पता है ये कपड़ा बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है और ये साड़ी भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगने वाली है. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो अहेड एंड गो टू tailor number 3. So went to this studio of sorts. It was like a proper store. They have ready-made outfits also. They do stitching also in-house. So I went to them, understood my vision again. I think I haven't received the outfit as I speak, but जितना बात हुआ, they understood my vision. Stitching for that, the quote that they gave me was 15,000 rupees. By the way, all of this is happening like 15 days before the wedding. So मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा liberty नहीं था of time. So I was like, do it. Let's get this over with. Already मुझे बहुत महंगा पड़ चुका है ये कपड़ा. Let's just go for it because I was starting to panic. Let's be real. Now let's come back to today. As I'm filming this video, I have 12 days to go for my haldi, and guess what? I still don't have my outfit, but it is getting stitched as we speak. All I can really do is cross my fingers that everything's gonna be fine. I am supposed to get my trial in 3 days. So we're gonna find out how this goes. Honestly, I'm not stressed. I'm quite positive about it because that's the only way to be. Next time I'm gonna check in with you guys is going to be for the trial of the sari. It's time. And now it's time for the final reveal. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this very chaotic outfit from scratch video. The grand total of my outfit from scratch came up to this amount right here. Definitely a very memorable outfit from scratch for multiple reasons. I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys have subscribed to the channel because there are so many videos that are gonna be coming your way. You don't want to miss these videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Mridul and Aditya as well because there are a lot of videos being posted on that channel as well as we speak. Follow me on my Instagram because all the daily stories are being posted there. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.